Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to record PowerPoint presentation. So before starting the video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all you need to open up the PowerPoint application on your Windows PC, and then what we will basically do here is we will just select this presentation here. And now once you are done making your presentation here, at the top here, these options here, you will see this option where it says record. Okay, so just tap on this one, and then now here you have like multiple options. Here we have this record option here, screenshot here, screen recording, video, audio, save as, and export to video. So we will just hit on this record option, and then you have two options from current slide. If you are in the middle of your presentation and if you want to record a specific slide, you can use this option, and if you want to record your presentation from start, you can choose this option from beginning. So just tap on this one, and now this screen will open up here. Okay, so now as you can see here that we haven't start the recording yet, so you can start the recording from this button, stop from this, and replay from this. And also while presenting, if you want to show some notes, you can use this one. And also while presenting, if you want to draw something on the slide here, you can also choose this one. And from here you can choose your microphone on or off. So right now it is off and now it is on. And if you have a webcam, you can choose this option. Okay, so right now I don't have any webcam, so it's not showing. And if you want to go to the next slide, just tap on this one here. So that's how to basically record a PowerPoint presentation. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.